Barley standing proud, but the clouds won't go away. I got diesel in the tank and a harvest about to begin, but my combine's blind as a bat once the dark sets in. There's thunder over Smarmore and the lads are acting grim. I got no lights yet and it's getting dim.
She said I should have fixed it back in May or maybe June, but I spent the last few months on a Portuguese beach with an air-conditioned room. Now the gears are grinding tragic, the belt's slipping and no spare, and I'm begging every raindrop just to kindly not be there. I'm straddling most of tram lines, hoping not to swim. I got no lights yet, and it's getting dim.
The barley don't wait for a dreamer's delay, and we won't care what the poets say. The forecast lied, or I just forgot to care, but the twilight's low and the storm's right there. Riley's got a John Deere with beams outer space. I got a rusty class Lexion and panic on my face.
I tried to tape a flashlight to the side with baling twine, but the duct tape peeled in protest and the bulb went out at night. I'm harvesting by moonlight and the odds are looking slim. I got no lights yet and it's getting dim.
There's Guinness in the fridge, but I don't deserve the pour. Not till every last oat's off this cursed soggy floor. I can hear the rain approaching like a choir out of sync, and me headlights died in '04. I think if I make it through the night, I swear on these weekly stars, I'll buy reflectors, lamps, and all them LED gizmo bars. But the sky is sagging dark and I can feel it start to spit. Still I'm grinding through this field, pushing on, keeping lit. There's a storm behind the tree line and I'm harvesting on a whim. I got no lights yet and it's getting dim.
Now Treeside takes the grain, Big Matt runs the scales. He'll sniff your load for moisture and recite inspection tales. No bugs, no bags, no pallets, lad, I don't want none of that. He scowled and tossed a barley head like a judge throwing a gavel flat. You bring me chaff or weevils and I'll send you back with a bark. Have you no lights yet?
And it's getting dark.